Hello, my name is Ashley Allen, and I am a planner and software integrator at NASA. And this is my Weebly page with all of my wonderful assignments that I've completed during the course of this master's program. For this class specifically, my assessment pieces will be under LTDE 5317 specifically. So if you click here, I have included both classes that I've taken this year, but if you scroll down, I do have a separation between the two classes, and for this, it's specifically 5317. So the first authentic assessment piece is the adaptive learning tool called Coassemble. Mute this as it starts playing. So for Coassemble, discovering adaptive learning tools allows me to apply adaptive learning strategies that are diverse for any learner. Also, it allowed me to create and incorporate gamification for the needs of my specific career. Researching proven strategies and the beneficial means of adaptive learning has caused me to learn which options are the most effective within my professional setting. I especially was impressed with the tool Coassemble. I will use this tool in my career to create fun training modules, quizzes, and assessments. And this is my tutorial on how to use Coassemble. The next assessment piece is the lesson gamification. This lesson gamification assessment incorporates instructional design strategies for providing a unique means of different instruction. It allows all new users of the TMS, or Training Management System, software that I use in my career to complete a series of quizzes to showcase the learned knowledge while having fun doing so. A quiz game keeps students engaged and ensures they retain all of the necessary information they need to know. Thanks to this course, I'm excited to have discovered this tool and other tools that I can use to create various gamification assessments. For the third major assessment, it is the Innovative Learning Techniques Unit for specifically the software I use, which is the Training Management System, or TMS. My adaptive learning unit is designed to be used in my career, which is in the software integration field, targeted towards new engineers or trainees students. To create this unit, I used the knowledge learned from this course, which includes applying adaptive learning strategies, innovative gamification, and incorporating digital tools. I hope this student-centered unit provides effective ways for the new trainees to learn the requirements within the TMS tool through adaptive learning strategies. From all of these assessments, I have enjoyed them thoroughly, and each class I've learned something different that I can take away from my career. But in this class specifically, I have come across different tools and assessments and various hands-on ways to keep the trainees engaged, learning, and having fun doing so. All right, that's it for my authentic assessment pieces for this course. Thanks for listening.